Good morning, students. Today we'll continue with the fourth problem in exercise number 4. Fourth problem, it is also verbal sum. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a house in one day. If he continues working at this rate, how many days will he take to paint the whole house? Okay. Deepak can paint 2 by 5 of a house in one day. If he continues working at this rate, how many days will he take to paint the whole house? In one day, 2/5 of the house he can paint it. In how many days he can paint full? He can paint full. So, in one day 2/5 means what you have to do is, at this rate, how many days will he take to paint the whole rate? So you have to reverse this one. That is 5 by 2 of the day. Means 5 by 2 days. In 5 by 2 days, he can paint entire house. Entire house. Okay. So you can also write here 1 divided by 2 by 5 if you do it. Divide by becomes into, I said, and 2 by 5 will be reversed, 5 by 2. So here you will get 5 by 2. So in any manner you can do it. Next we will go with next problem. So here, which one is greater? Which one is greater? 0.7 or 0.07? So here 0.7 or 0.07. Which one is greater? 0.7 you can write it as 7 by 10. And 0.07 you can write as 7 by 100. So first what you have to do is, I said to equate the denominators. So here you have 10, here you have 100. Okay. So 10 and 100, you have to make this 10, you have to make it as 100, means numerator and denominator multiply with 10. This you are keeping as it is. So here 7 tens are how much it becomes? 70. 70 by 100 or 7 by 100. If denominator is same, whose numerator is greater? That is greater. So 70 by 100 is greater than 7 by 100. What is 70 by 100? Is nothing but 0.7. What is 7 by 100? Is nothing but 0.07. So you can write 0.7 is greater than 0.07. Okay. So the place values, if you want to know also, you can write 7 or 8.5. Which is greater? See, it is 7 only. It is 8.5. This is greater than 7 or not? 7 after 8 will come, 8 after 8.5 will come. So 8.5 is greater than 7. So it is not a problem to do the entire procedure stepwise. Just you have to say which one is greater. That's it. Okay. 6 or 0.6 or
0.66. Don't see it is not 66. Point left side if it is there. Say if you have 6 or 66, then 66 is greater, because 66 means 66.0. 6 means 6.0. These two are equal only. So 6 and 66 means 66 is greater. But here it is not 66. It is 0.66. 0.66 is less than 1, but it is 6. So 0.66 is less than 1. 6 is greater than 1. So 6 is greater than 0.66. See, the symbol, it is called greater than, and this is called less than. So how to read is important. It is less than, that is greater than. Now what you have to do is second question. Second question, express the following as rupees using decimals. So you should use decimals to express in rupees. So 9 pies. You have to express 9 pies in rupees using decimals. So here 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. So if I want 1 pies, if I want to convert it into rupees, this into is 100 is multiplying to pies. Take 100 to this side. 1 by 100 rupees. So pies, if you want to convert into rupees, you have to divide with 100. So here 9 pies is nothing but 9 by 100 rupees. So here how many zeros you are seeing here? 2 zeros. Means before 2 digits I have to keep a point. Here how many digit number is there? It is single digit number. So I want to keep point 2 digits before. So I can keep 1 0 here. 0, 9 and 9 both are same only. So before a number, how many zeros if you keep also, its value does not change. 0 0 0 0 0 9. It is nothing but 9 only. So why I kept a 0 9 is I want to keep a point before 2 digits. So you have only 1 digit. To make it to 2 digits I kept 1 0 before 9 without changing its value. So here 2 digits before means 0.09. It is what? Rupees. So this is 9 pies. You converted into rupees using decimals. Decimal means here point. So you have point or not? So this is the answer for this question. 9 pies, you converted it into rupees using decimals. Now here 77 rupees 7 pies. 77 rupees 7 pies. What he is asking? He is asking to write in decimals. So already it is in rupees, sir. You can keep plus here. 7 pies, sir. 7 pies means, just now I said, pies if you want to convert into rupees divided by 100. Here what number is there? 7 is there. Divided by 100. So 2 zeros are there. 2 digits before you have to keep a point. So you have to keep 07. 77 plus 07 before point, if you keep it 0.07. 0.07 means point before also you can keep 0 here. 0.07. If you add, so point after here 0, here 77. 77 means 77.0, 0.07. So if you add, you are getting 77.07. So it is conversion of pies into rupees. Okay. Now 235 pies. See here, 235 pies. How hard to convert this? You have to convert into rupees by using decimals. 235 paisa is the question. If you want to convert this into rupees, 235 by 100 rupees you can write it. Okay, this you can write 200 plus 35 by 100. It is rupees only again. So 200 by 100 plus 35 by 100. Now two zeros cancelled. Here 2 plus 35 by 100 is nothing but 0.35. So here 2.35. Okay. So why I converted to 200? See, you can do like this also. You can do like this also. What it is 235 you have to divide with 100. 100 2s are 200. Subtraction 35. 35 is small than 100. Point 0. 100 3s are 300. 50. Point is that 0. 100 5s are 500. So it is 0. 2.35. So otherwise directly without doing division, 2 zeros are there, 2 digits before you have to keep a point. 2.35. You can write directly. 235 by 100, 2 zeros are there, 2 digits before a point. So 2.35. So any method is valuable, it is correct. Which method you understood perfectly, you can do in that method. Okay. Next now, third question, express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. So you have to express 10 centimeters in meters and kilometers. So here kilo means 1000. Kilo means, should know, kilo means 1000. Kilometers, 1000 meters. Kilograms, 1000 grams. So now we have to go for 10 centimeters. So here you should know 1 meter is equals to 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. I want 1 centimeter is equals to 100 is multiplying or not? Take this 100 to here. 1 by 100 meters. 1 centimeter, if you convert into meters, you have to divide with 100. See here, 10 centimeters, you have to convert into what? Meters. So 10 I written same. Centimeter. Centimeter means what I can write? 1 by 100 meters. 0 0 cancelled. 1 by 10 meters. 1 by 10 means I said already 1 0 is there. Before 1 digit you have to keep a point. 0.1 meters. So 10 centimeters is nothing but 0.1 meters. Now come to next question, that is 10 centimeters only. 10 centimeters only. You have to convert into kilometers. 10 centimeters you have to convert it into kilometers. Now how to convert it? 10 centimeters is equal to what you written? 0.1 meters you written. You got up to here or not? 10 centimeters is equal to 0.1 meters. Now here 1 kilometer is equals to, kilo means I said 1000. 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. I want 1 meter is equals to, this 1000 you have to keep it here. 1 by 1000 meters. So it is very important. Meters, 1 by 1000 kilometers. Okay. So here 1 meter is equals to 1 by 1000 kilometers. Now 0.1 I kept the same like that only. Meter. Meter means what here? 1 by 1000 kilometers. 0.1 means you can write it as 1 by 10 or not. Before 1 digit point is there. I said 1 by 10 means 0.1. 0.1 means 1 by 10. Now if you multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator means here 3 zeros are there, here 1 0. Total 4 zeros will come. 1 by 10,000 kilometers. How many zeros are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 digits before you have to keep a point. So this is nothing but 0.0001 kilometers is nothing but 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now I convert it into kilometers. So practice well. Remember this. 1 meter. Where meter is there? There I written 1 by 1000. Here 0.1. I expressed in fractions. Here fractions convert into decimals. Here decimal converted into fractions. So if you do 2 to 3 times, it will be habituated. So, okay, we'll meet you next class.